Hello and welcome back to Pixel Flow Studio. Do you know what steps you should follow when you get an order to make UI UX design of an application or website? In this video we will discuss about that. So let's begin. So when you get an order to make UI UX design of an application or website from the platforms like Fiverr or Freelancer, etc., so you have to simply follow these 6 simple steps. Let's discuss them in detail. Number 1. Understand the project requirements. In this step, you will communicate with your client and ask them that for what specific age group this website or application is being made, what specific goals they want to achieve from the specific website and application, who are their target audience. So you will ask such type of questions from your client. Number 2. Research and analysis. In this step, you will conduct surveys through Google Forms and ask the random people that how they react to a specific button or a specific interface in a application or website. Let's suppose there is an application which is related to graphic designing. So you will ask graphic designers that how they react to a specific button or an interface in application like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, etc. Moreover, you will analyze the similar applications. Let's suppose I get an order to make UI UX design of an application which is related to e-commerce. So I will analyze all the e-commerce applications just like the Ras.pk, AliExpress and Temu. I will briefly analyze their login screens, their profile screens, home screens, etc. And let's suppose I like the login screen of the Ras.pk. So login screen in my application would be similar to the Ras.pk. Number 3. Navigation and wireframing. In this step, you will create a map of the application as you can see on your screen by visualizing that how the user will navigate through this application. You could create this map in the FigJam of Figma application. At this step, you will also create the low fidelity model of the application. Number 4. Creation of UI. In this step, you will create the high fidelity model of the application that are buttons, icons, etc. You will also create the mockups of the screen and don't forget to prototype the screen. Basically, prototyping is linkage between two screens. We will discuss that in our upcoming video. Number 5. Testing and validation. In this step, you will take the feedback of applications UI design, prototyping, etc. from the random users and also you will make changes to it if needed. Number 6. Hand off to development. This is the final step in which you will provide the developer everything which he needs to develop the application. You will provide him the link of design file, export assets and also create the documentation if needed. In this process, you will also collaborate with the developer and clarify their questions. In the next video, we will discuss about the basic interface of the Figma. Like, share and subscribe if you like my content. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.